What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Nisha here with another video. Dante and I were planning to drive this morning to go and look at the lot to see how much progress has been made so far. However, yesterday afternoon, our sales manager was ever so kind to send us a picture of the lot as well as a little bit of an update as to how things are going. And as of now, the slab has been poured. And the lumber package has arrived, so the framing work will start any day now. So we didn't feel there was a point in driving the 2 hours all the way there and back just to kind of look if he's already sent us an updated picture, letting us know what's going on. So instead, I think I'll just kind of do a little bit of shopping today. Yeah, so I'll take you guys along. We'll see what we can find, and then I'll do a haul at the end. All right, see you soon. right, so I just got back from shopping, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick haul real quick and show you the few things that I bought. First thing is this love sign. And I got this from Burlington for $7.99. I got this really soft throw. Has little fringes on the end. I got this also from Burlington for $12.99. I got this little mail band, and I got this from maybe Home Goods, maybe Burlington, $4.99. I got this from Home Goods, and it was $16.99. I got this paper towel holder from Burlington, and it was $7.99. And I got 2 more paper towel holders from Home Goods, and they were $5.99 a piece. I got some dish towels, and I got these from Burlington for $5.99 for the set of 3. The front of this one say you wash, and this one say all dry. I thought that was cute. And I got this coaster set, and I got this from Burlington, and it was $5.99. I got this towel rack with silverware holder from Burlington, and it was $14.99. It's not a towel rack. This is a dish rack. And I got these glass coffee mugs. I wanted 4, but they only had 2 left, and they were $3.99. See? And I got these from Burlington. I got 2 of these, and they were $7.99. And last but not least, I got this glass thingy here from Home Goods, and it was $9.99. All right, so that's all I got this time. And as always, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And until next Monday, I'll see you later. Have a good week.